Welcome to our Montessori open house. My name is Ashley Rastoffer. I'm the elementary principal and also the Montessori director. The teachers and I have been working really hard over the past couple months to welcome our families back to school safely. We look forward to seeing you every day the week of August 31st for your 2-hour time spot.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Brewer, and I will be one of your teachers at the Montessori. I'm beginning my 33rd year here at St. Peter's Montessori, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Hi, my name is Miss Keller, and I will be one of the teachers here at the Montessori. This is my first year at the Montessori and my first year of teaching.
Welcome to St. Peter's Montessori.
So when you arrive to school each morning, you're going to enter this door right here, and then we're going to go straight into our coat room where we'll put our things. We have boys and girls, and right before that we'll do the sanitation station where you'll wipe your hands and we'll take your temperature.
Okay, this is called our specials room, and this is where we will begin our day. So each morning and afternoon when the children come into school, they will come into this room, and we have a special way to take attendance this year. We have attendance rocks. So our friends will find their name and place their rock in our basket. So this is a fun way to take attendance. So we have that. We will have specially marked spaces on the floor for the children to sit socially distanced. We will say the pledge. We'll work on our calendar, months of the year, days of the week. We'll make patterns with our hundreds board, and when we get to 100th day of school, we'll have a celebration. So we have, also this year, we will be doing our virtues in practice. So we will be talking about our virtues each month and special things that we can do to incorporate that into our daily lives. So this may also be the room where Mr. Clark has music class with his students. We have Spanish. So our Spanish teacher will join us up here for Spanish class. So we have an exciting year planned for you. This is our snack room. So each day you will be able to have one snack. We have our snack cart and our snack table. 2 friends may have snack at a time. One friend may sit here and the other friend here. We'll make sure we wash our hands before having snack. So we have the bathroom right over here. We have the light. We have a wonderful child-sized toilet and our steps to wash our hands at the sink. So one friend may use the bathroom at a time. Over here we have our mailboxes for our preschool friends. Our morning friends have their mailboxes on this side, and the afternoon friends are right over here on this side. One child may be at the mailboxes at a time. There is an X on our floor right over here, so if somebody is waiting to check their mailbox to get a workout, they can wait safely right here. This is our social studies, science, and sensorial and practical life room. We have arranged it a little bit differently this year. Over on this section of our room, we have the sensorial section. So our children will be able to learn about the different shape tray 1 and 2, our geometric, our boxes, our knobbed and knobless cylinders, the pink tower, colors. So they'll have a variety of sensorial works to work on, and new works will come out monthly. Back here we have our practical life area. And practical life works would be works that we do in everyday life. So we have coring works, spooning works, tweezing and scooping. We have stacking works, sorting works, and our puzzles. And these works will change very often as well.
Very good.
Okay. This is our social studies and science part of our room, where we'll be working on our maps, our continents, and then lots of other science. Okay, this is our art room, and we have many artworks like tracing, different coloring, and different marker and artworks. And then we also have our kindergarten mailboxes. This is where our kindergarten friends will check their mailbox.
This is our number room or our math room, and we have many different works for you to do, and these works will change often each week. You'll have demonstrations on how to use our works, but there's something for everybody in this room to work on. So we have many wonderful number works for you to do in this room. This is our reading room, and this is where all of our students will come to work on their letters, their sounds, their word family books, reading books. We have our station over here where the teacher will sit with you, and we have our sound cylinders and our books and the whole reading program. We also have some free writing skill works. We have our metal insets here and some puzzles to work on, and for our friends that are on their pink word family book, we have our movable alphabet here as well. Okay, this is our quiet reading area. So if you would like to have some quiet time where you can look at a book, a friend may sit in a chair, and we might have a friend over here on the couch. We also have a little felt board station over here where you may want to work on a felt board activity.
Okay. This is a new room to the Montessori this year. It's our STEM room, which is science, technology, engineering, and math. We have different works here. We have tools, parquetry, and then we have our geoboards and puzzles. We have different works over here, magnetic, building, different blocks. We also have our science books, and then our science shelf, which has different things like magnifying glasses, binoculars, different books about animals. Okay? And this is our last room. This is our writing lab, where Montessori preschool and kindergarten students will be having lessons, writing lessons here twice a week with Mrs. Brewer and myself. We have our alphabet on the wall. We have different magnetic letters that we can make. We have our grammar farm. And then this is also the room where I will be teaching kindergarten religion. So we will be doing twice a week religion lessons with our kindergartners in this room.
Hi, welcome to the Montessori new enrichment room. We have a lot of new fun works for the children, a lot of same things we had over at the Montessori. It's going to be a fun year for the kids. I'm excited to have them back. I really miss them this summer and really look forward to working with them this year. When the kids see me, it's going to be a little different. Miss Kim's going to have a mask on, just like you guys. So it's going to be a little different here, but we're going to make it fun and we're going to have a good year.
We look forward to seeing you soon.